This is the very interesting problem. Watch this figure. This is the developed surface of options are given: A, rectangular parallelepiped, B, triangular prism, C, triangular pyramid, D, none of these. This is a figure of a triangular prism. It has here 3 rectangular faces, 1, 2, and 3, and 2 triangular faces. If we open from one end, we get this type of figure. For rectangular faces 1, 2, 3, and this is left hand cover, triangular shape, and this is also right hand cover, triangular shape. So here the option B, triangular prism, is a correct option.